Let's go ahead and jump into this right away with an example. I want to evaluate the surface xy over the region that's defined by y equals x over 2 and y equals square root of x, where x goes from 0 to 4. Well, the first thing I really want to do is jump out here and draw a picture of this thing so that I have an idea of what regions I'm working with. See, x goes from 0 to 4. Square root of x is going to come out to 2. So it's going to come all the way up to 2. And x over 2 when x equals 4 is also 2. So it's going to be, this is linear function. So what I'm looking at is this region right here. So right away I know how I need to integrate this. I am going to integrate reference to x from 0 to 4. And in reference to y from x over 2 to the square root of x. And this would be x, y, dy, dx. Okay, obviously this is a, I didn't say it here, but this is a type 1 region. All right, so let's go ahead and work out that integral then. So I'm going to take this in two parts. I'm going to say part number 1, I'm going to integrate from x over 2 to the square root of x of xy dy, which equals xy squared over 2 evaluated from x over 2, to root x, not root 2. So this is going to be x times, well, let's say x over 2, times the square root of x squared minus x over 2 times x squared over 4. So that's going to be x squared over 4. That's going to be an 8. So this is going to be x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 8. Now I need to integrate this with respect to x. So I need the integral from 0 to 4 of x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 8 dx, which is x cubed over 6 minus x to the 4th over 32, evaluated from, what was that, 0 to 4. So that's going to be it's going to be 4 cubed over 6 minus 4 to the 4th over 32 minus 0. So when I fit around with that, what I end up with is simply 8 over 3.